One thing I like to do when it comes to a rod and reel combination that's a little bit different than some people is the line choice that I choose. I actually go with a 14-pound Trilene XL. And the reason for that is a 14-pound Trilene XL, or the XL line in general, is a stretchier, softer, more supple line. And one thing about it being softer in that stretch is it's a good thing, especially when it comes to cool water bites or big fish. You want that big rubber band effect. In the situation today, these fish are biting very soft. You know, the boards aren't moving much, but what it's also doing is that stretchy line is obviously letting those fish hang on a little bit longer before we have a chance to notice those boards move. And it's another thing, once that fish is hooked up, we have a big rubber band effect. You know, we're gonna have a lot of line stretch, can help cushion it. I do a little bit different. I run a shorter rod, and once again, helps me with that. But the key with the 14-pound XL, and the reason why I choose the 14-pound is it has the same line diameter as 10-pound Trilene XT, which all the trolling dive charts are made off of. And so it keeps the dive charts the same. I can still reference those, but it gives me a lot more characteristics that I like, and stretch is a big thing when big waves, big fish, and having that rubber band effect.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.